Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US based stocks. Today we will have a look at Carnival Corporation CCL. Carnival Corporation is actually experiencing very interesting behavior now that shows some possible buy opportunities with some good profits. So to understand what's going on better, let's first have a look at general indexes and stats for the CCL. So after having last week actually maximum at RSI index, so going to overbought zone, now the stock is in constant downtrend with respect to RSI. Although today and actually yesterday we see some deceleration of downtrend because the stock is reaching the area of moving average 20 here, which worked as kind of a support for the stock. But overall, it's still a question, will it pierce further down or will it bounce from here? On another parameter, MACD, we can see as well, like after having the maximum, it coincided with reaching the overbought zone. It was actually also a maximum on convergence divergence index, and then we see strong downtrend here that also pierced through the zero and actually going further negative zone, kind of starting to develop bubble down, so kind of developing pressure up, still too small, but it's under development. So in that sense, if you would say, is it too early to buy the stock now? Well, given that it's almost the end of the trading week, and during this week we had another small bounce from another small maximum, so we have like every maximum is lower and lower. It still might be too early to buy, and what we can expect here, actually it could be small bounce back tomorrow due to the fact that we touched moving average 20 and it's still positive together with moving average 50, so it might work as a support here, but overall it's not really high probability that it will pass through this distance line that we can plot here. So it might still bounce back from it. And then, most probably the stock will pierce moving average 20 and fall down. We will see if this happens. So if not, of course, you can still buy it now and hope for this bounce that it will continue from moving average 20, but then it will be kind of a casino play, which I don't really like, because there is also another actually resisted here. So this would be really like hoping for the best, which is not good trading strategy. If you would just wait for possible breakdown through the moving average 20, then some interesting possibilities might open for buying, because then we will have here moving average 50 working as first support, and we have other support lines here being built. So in case of piercing through, the first nice buying opportunity will start at these levels. And then if it goes further and pierces even moving average 50, then another good buy zone will be actually here. So we can say that this is a first buy box, this is a very good buy box, and then we should have inevitably reversal behavior of the stock. So short term, it's really unclear how it will behave here. Longer term, we can expect a downtrend more in the box 1, and in the box 2 is a strong buy, then some retrace can happen. Then the question would be, where is the best to sell? Well, given if this is happening, it will also mean that moving average 20 will start to turn down, and you can already feel some deceleration signs for it, meaning that in future there will be some magic cross down happening somewhere here, meaning that moving average 20 will hit from the top moving average 50, and then it might create some additional downtrend. So I would say sell before this, or if you speak of lines, then either sell when you touch moving average 50, or first would be actually this line to sell. some psychological level. Also, it's important to note that today what is happening is also kind of double support almost, because there is one trend, slow uptrend, which we see. It was confirmed once about 12th of May, and then it's reaching that area, so kind of trying to confirm today or tomorrow. If this level is pierced, then it's really downtrend, and then we can wait a box 1 or box 2. If not, yeah, it will be a little bit unclear. Another thing that speaks about the stock as a good buy opportunity if it goes to levels 1 or 2 is the fact actually that moving average 200 is quite high, and now it's almost around 100%, well, not completely, but around that numbers, which also creates midterm quite strong uptrend pressure. So it's definitely nice one to watch, and if it reaches boxes 1 or 2, it's very nice one to buy. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.